Hi, my name is Trish Simpson. I'm a kitchen designer. I design as well laundries, bathrooms, wardrobes, whole interiors of a home. I've known Fit for 12 years, so their product is fantastic. That's why I keep on specifying their product. Clients will love the showroom because I can come around here and show them the litres, the sizes of the bins, because sometimes when you tell clients the litres, they can't understand what it is. So pulling out all the bins around here, they can select what they want as well, and I can specify back to the joiner. With kitchen bins, they normally have 2 or 3 bins in the kitchen, but in the pantry, they normally have 1. It's the durability of the bins, the quality, the workmanship, and dealing with you as well. You're always there if we need you. Phone call is great. I was talking to a joiner the other day and he says he loves specifying your bins because of the durability, and the clients always say how they're easy to clean because they're smooth inside and they're like an embossed surface on the outside. So now not having plastic bags all the time, they're a lot easier to clean. With the laundries, there's so many different size laundries. So what we've got to do is make sure the capacity of how many children are in that home. So you've got your 2 bins, you've got your white bin, you've got your blue bin. So those metal bins you've got there as well are fantastic. But with your laundry hampers, you've got your colours and you've got your whites. So the kids know the blues, the colours, and the whites, so it's pretty good. There's a lot of people, they've got their larger laundries, they sometimes have 4 of those hampers. So they can put their rugby dirty clothes and everything in the real dirty ones, and then the whites still into another one. Some people have their ironing in there as well, so that's where you go with 4 bins as well. It's just your quality of your bins, and I'll keep on specifying, look forward to specifying more of your bins as well. And it's the clients as well, make you happy every day.